Folding pet gate. This essential puppy product is lightweight and easily folds together for compact storage. When folded, this gate is small enough to conveniently fit in the closet. Stylish indoor dog fence. This 3-panel dog gate is an excellent way to limit your pet's access to parts of your home, while maintaining a modern appearance. The dark brown finish on this wood gate is sure to complement any decor. Freestanding. Unlike traditional gates, this gate does not require installation that could potentially damage your home. With an accordion design, this pet gate is sturdy enough to barricade your small dog, puppy, or cat, without trailing. For stairs or doorways, this versatile indoor pet fence is ideal for use in doorways, at the top or bottom of stairways, or any area you would like to keep your pet away from. Product details: finish color, dark brown stain. Materials: wood and metal, hinges. Top reviews from the United States. Very nice. I am convalescing from a car accident and I have 3 dogs and a cat in the house. There is always someone under feet. This gate allows me to move around safely and is very easy to move. I bought 2 of them and can either contain the animals at the doorways or I put both of them just around me as I prepare food where I can move without them under my feet. And did I mention how nice they look? They look real nice. Really like them.